construction project for Central Java Coal-Fired Power Plant 2000 is a mutual cooperation agreement between PT Bima Senapur Indonesia and the government of Batang Regency. This construction is joint operation by PT Waskita Karya, PT Pembangunan Perumahan, and PT Delta Marga Adiatama. It was started in October 2013 and completed in March 2015. The project is located in the Sigandu Ujung Negoro Batang with length 5,475 meters, 6-meter width, using asphalt concrete pavement, having 2 unit pre-station concrete bridge and tin box culvert crossing. Construction stages consist of set handover, survey works, land clearing, and stripping. Set handover from PT Bima Senapur Indonesia to contractor was held in Sigandu October 3, 2013. The contractor survey works to setting out of all points in accordance with the drawing along the project site. And then they down to land clearing. All trees, shrub, bushes will be stripping prior to receive construction material. Next stages are geotextile, selected embankment, bridges, and retaining wall. Contractor using the woven geotextile with 16 kN per meters strength was laid on the swampy soil. And then a layer of selected embankment for swampy area would be filed and properly compacted. There are 2 pre-station concrete bridges, Kalibuntu Bridge and Kalisono Bridge. Those bridges are contracted with pre-station concrete girder and PC spoon piles. Pile driving analyzer provide the actual capacity of piles to receive working load. All piles shall be cut down to the level. Then special treatment for pile head should be done. With a collective steel reinforcement bar, all piles are united in a bottom abutment. With strong reinforced concrete wall to transfer working load into the piles. Top structure of abutment where PC girder will be set down. Precast concrete PC girders should be assembled for pre-stretching work. Precast concrete deck slab are installed as foam walk or reinforced concrete slab, reinforcement bar installation, and then pouring concrete for the bridge slab. Bridge railing was installed. Stone masonry work was carried on at retaining wall structure. Most of the workers from surrounding villages of this project. reinforced concrete retaining wall was constructed for more than 3 meters high. Wooden piles were also introduced at swampy area. Excavation at hillside was conducted at Ujungnegoro village area. Most of soil generated from this hill excavation was used selected embankment. And then sodding was applied at the slope of hillside excavation to maintain stability. Exterior foundation was sub-base course and approved mid-proportion of aggregate diameter 13 until 50 mm and sand. Then small mixed aggregate diameter 20 until 40 mm called base course was laid on. Before applying asphalt pavement, the road surface should be cleaned against loose aggregate. Then 75 mm thickness of asphalt concrete base was applied. As final surface, 14 mm thickness for asphalt concrete wearing course was applied. After a recurring, road marking was applied at wall of the road lengths. The coastal road project was completed from Klidanglor village from station 0 meter and the station 300 meter and station 300 meter and the station 4250 meter is Depok village area. Then entering Ujungnegoro village at Kalisono Bridge at station 4250 meter.